I have been in every corner of this country. I have traveled, I have been to villages, I have been to homes, I have seen people afflicted. And as I move around, I have not seen somebody who, when he is crying, the tear that comes out of his eyes has religion on it or has tribe in it. And as soon as we understand the fact that people suffer as human beings, we can work together. It is possible. The people causing our problem are less than 0.2%. And we have over 230 million people. Men of goodwill and conscience should come together and work together in collaboration with people who want to support us. I also believe that even in some communities where people are persecuted, they are convinced that they know who the enemies are and they need help. And all of us should rise together and provide that help.
So, no doubt you said Nigerians no longer live in denial or pretense. Are you saying that Nigerians need to rise up to call for help?
Definitely. We need help. If somebody thinks we not need help, that person is in denial. And maybe the person that thinks we don't need help may be a suspect. So we need help. And wherever that help should come from, we should go for it. We borrow money. The money we borrow is not ours. We go out to seek help in other things. Why can't we seek help in security? We need it.
Sir, during your speech, you quote that, "Let us rescue Nigeria." Can you please emphasize on that?
Well, that's all I have been saying. If you rise and I rise, all of us rise, Nigeria will be great. Let us not demonize somebody next to you. Let us not demonize people of other faith. Let us treat what is happening to us, that we are in trouble, all of us. Christians, Muslims, even people who don't believe in God, we are in trouble. We have enemies around us. Until we come together, we are wasting our time. Let's forget about this blame game. How many people were killed? The people killed belong to which community? It is human blood that we are losing. I will just do what I know how to do.
Congratulations.
Thank you.